ska jag baka svensk kardemumma-bullar i mitt köket. I'm very excited to share today's easy peasy recipe with you all because I personally love this combination of pistachio and cardamom in a bun. Yeah, you heard me right, it's cardamom sweet buns. So these buns are originally from Sweden and it's very popular among their fika culture. So fika is often known as a coffee and cake break, which is I would say it's very important part of this Swedish culture, where they actually spend their time for friends and colleagues to share a cup of coffee and a little something to eat. So these kardemumma-bullar, which is cardamom buns, and kanelbullar, that is cinnamon buns, are very popular among this fika culture. So today's recipe I'm going to wrap up with 3 easy steps. First to make the dough and then to make the filling, and third and the final steps to shape up the buns. So I hope you're going to like this video, and these buns are very unique and they are very delicious, but it's very easy to make with easy to find ingredients. So let's check it out. Before getting into our first step, let's crush some cardamom pods. Remove the shells and grind into fine powder and set aside, or you can just use cardamom powder from the supermarket. Either way is just fine. So let's active dry yeast by mixing honey with warm milk and then sprinkle dry yeast into it. Mix and leave to activate. This will roughly take 10 minutes. Now to make the dough, I'm going to use a standing mixture bowl with a dough hook, or you can just use your hands, it's totally fine. Now add in all the dough ingredients like flour, eggs, salt, powdered milk, crushed cardamom and the yeast mixture that we prepared, but don't add a cubed butter at this point. Now mix to incorporate well and then knead for 10 minutes. Now add the cubed butter one by one and mix well after each addition. Once finished, continue kneading for another 10 minutes. Now form the dough and place in a greased bowl. Cover it tightly with a cling film and leave until the dough rises double its size. This will roughly take 1 to 2 hours. Meantime, let's move on to step number 2 to make the cardamom filling. Add butter, brown sugar and cardamom powder or ground cardamom into a mixing bowl and mix until creamy and set aside. And if you are using the standing mixture for this step, use the paddle hook or just use the hand beater. As the third and the final step, let's shape up these buns. Place the rice and dough on a lightly floured surface. Then lightly press into a rectangle. Roughly this rectangle should be 14 to 21 inch, that is 35 to 53 centimeters rectangle. Now spread the filling that we prepared evenly on the dough, but don't put too much as it will be difficult to shape later. Now hold the dough into 1/3 by folding the left and then right side of the dough to the center. Overlapping each other, you can just watch how I'm doing. And then twist the dough 90 degrees towards you and gently roll the dough into 9 inch, that is 23 centimeters height. But don't press it too hard because we have the filling inside. Now cut into 2/3 inch, that is 3.5 centimeters roughly strips. Cut each strips in half and then leave in 1 inch uncut at the end. Actually, this will help to fold the strips correctly. Now take 2 attached strips and gently pull one each end to make them slightly longer. Now twist them and hold the uncut end between your 2 fingers and thumb and wrap the strips around them. Run the end of the strips between your 2 fingers and tuck the end. And you need to continue with the rest of the strips also. Now place these buns in a baking sheet on a baking tray and cover loosely with a cling film and leave them to puff a bit, roughly around 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, you can brush these cardamom buns with egg wash and then bake for 30 minutes and until golden brown and fully cooked. After 30 minutes, we have these golden brown cardamom buns. So immediately brush the top with some warm honey, so that will give you this dashing look and it's really colorful. And then sprinkle some crushed pistachio on top. Ta-da! We have our delicious cardamom and pistachio buns ready to be served. So, look at these delicious cardamom pistachio buns. I really can feel the smell and it's really good. So, you can serve these buns with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, and you can keep it in an airtight container for maximum 3 days, and make sure that you heat it again in the microwave before serving it. So I hope you're gonna love this video, and I'm definitely sure you're gonna make this at home. Do subscribe, like and share Nee's Kitchen, and stay tuned with Nee's Kitchen to get alerts on interesting and uncommon recipes. So see you soon, and hey do!